Think you need to switch platforms just to accept payments? For many merchants, that's the biggest misconception. Here's what you will see. If you search how to add Stripe to an existing site, you will find plenty of workarounds. But they're often limited to specific platforms or they force you into using extra tools just to accept payments. That's why so many business owners feel like switching platforms is the only option. With Easy Pay Direct, you don't have to change platforms. Their 250 plus integrations connect to nearly every setup, and if you need something unique, their in house developers can create a custom solution for you. That way, your payments just work without moving your entire business. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get white glove service, meaning you will have a dedicated contact to help you if you ever run into setup questions. If you want to add secure payment processing without the headache of switching platforms, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Use the link in the description to get started today.